The skylights are open because we're standing 2,050 feet above sea level, and it does get pretty windy in the wintertime. They needed to make sure the wind didn't come in and rip the cantilever roof off. When it rains really hard, the water does go down these drains. I've never seen the glass on this terrace wet. And the wood on the inside and the outside only needs refinished about every 20 years.
Oh, really?
It's a very durable. Where we're getting a better view of the banded windows that he chose to use in the bedrooms. He called that a horizontal light screen. You're also seeing how it looks as though the house is throughout the landscape there, and that's a very important part of this organic architecture. The triangular ponds, the havens when they moved in, they saw.
Well, some run in the middle trees or something.
You're not going to carry me. What about a piggyback?
I'll take a ride. We'll have to get you guys in there. Why don't you guys be...
That's a lot of
Mike,
stone.
look at this. Look back at the house.
Mr. Gorbachev.